Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to draw a monster truck step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started! Step 1. Draw the baseline. Draw a rounded head rectangle for the monster truck baseline in the middle. Step 2. Draw the body. Draw a rectangle on the top of the baseline and make it curved from the left side. Step 3. Draw the cabin. Draw the cabin with several lines on top of the body. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Draw lights. Draw a small half circle on the front of the body and a small circle on the back for the lights. Step 5. Draw the back bar. Draw the back bar with several rectangles, like the image. Step 6. Draw wheels. Draw 2 big circles on both sides for the wheels. Step 7. Draw wheel connector. Create the wheel connector by adding 3 rectangles between the 2 wheels like so. Taking your drawing to the next level, adding background. Draw mountains in the background. You can also add clouds and the sun for the sky. Coloring your drawing. It's time to add some colors. Use bright colors to make your monster truck stand out. Make the mountains green, and you can also paint the sky blue in the background. We hope you had a blast drawing a monster truck with us. Remember, practice makes progress, so keep those pencils moving. Don't forget to explore the video description for more details on our range of art tutorials and services. And if there's a particular vehicle you're itching to see us draw, we're all ears. Thanks for tuning in.